హలో ఎవ్రీవన్ ఈ వీడియోలో మనము రంగారెడ్డి డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ప్రీ ఫైనల్ 2 పార్ట్ బి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఆన్సర్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. సో పార్ట్ బి ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బికాస్ 20 మార్క్స్ వెయిటేజ్. ఇంతకుముందు ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్లో మనకి వెయిటేజ్ ఫర్ పార్ట్ బి ఈజ్ 10 మార్క్స్, కానీ ఇప్పుడు 20 మార్క్స్ ఉంది కాబట్టి యూ షుడ్ నాట్ నెగ్లెక్ట్ పార్ట్ బి అండ్ గివ్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఫర్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. Question number one. Find the number of zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 5x square minus 7x cube plus 8 is. So number of zeros means the utmost zeros will be the degree of the polynomial. So maximum zeros will be 4. Correct option is C. Which of the following is a terminating decimal? So 5 by 16 is a terminating decimal because 16 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 4 and same as 5 to the power of 0. If denominator is in the form of 2 power of n, 5 power of m, then it is a terminating decimal. So correct option for second question is B, 5 by 16. The discriminant of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is b square minus 4ac. Which of the following is arithmetic progression? ఈ ఫోర్ ఆప్షన్స్ లో అరిథమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ ఏంటో చూడాలి. సో అరిథమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ అనగానే మనకి d వాల్యూ a2 మైనస్ a1 విల్ బి సేమ్ యాజ్ a3 మైనస్ a2 ఉండాలి. సో 2 root 3 minus root 3 should be equal to 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3. 2 root in the first term second term లో root 3 కామన్ కాబట్టి 2 minus 1 అండ్ థర్డ్ టర్మ్ ఈ రెండిట్లో root 3 కామన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 3 minus 2. So root 3 into 2 minus 1 is 1, root 3 into 3 minus 2 is 1. Clearly left hand side and right hand side are same, so correct option for fourth question is C. In triangle ABC, DE are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. Then DE is, so if it is 8 centimeters, obviously DE will be 4 centimeters. Sixth question, if LBH are length, breadth and height of a cuboid, then the curved surface area of the cuboid is 2h into L plus B. Seventh question, if cot theta is equal to 8 by 15, then sin theta is equal to. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, opposite to theta is 15 and hypotenuse is 17. So 15 by 17 is the correct answer. If E and E are complementary events and P of E is equal to 2 by 5, then P of not E is. So 1 minus 2 by 5 will be the correct option. So 5 ones are 5 minus 2 by 5 is 3 by 5. Correct option is C. Ninth question, P of x is a polynomial and maximum 0 of P of x are 3. Then which of the following diagram shows the correct polynomial? This is the correct polynomial because this curve is meeting x-axis at 3 points. Correct option for ninth question is A. Tan theta is equal to 5, then secant theta minus tan theta is 1 by 5. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFD, angle A is 50 and angle F is 55, then angle C is 75. Which of the following event is a probability? 1 by 5 is a probability because always probability lies between 0 and 1, including 0 and 1. So rest of A, C, D are more than 1. So correct option for 12th question is B, 1 by 5. The value of sin 0, sin 1, sin 2, so on, sin 20 is 0. Reason is sin 0 value is 0. 0 into any number will also be the 0. So correct option for 13th question is D. If P of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 7x minus 5, then the quotient of x square is minus 6. Correct option is C. 2 minus 3, 4, 3 are endpoints of a line segment. Then the slope of the line is given by the formula m is equal to y2 by minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 3 minus 3 by x2 is 4, x1 is 2. So 3 plus 3 by 2 is 6 by 2 is 3. Correct option is A. Which of the following is in geometric progression? So D option is in geometric progression because in geometric progression its ratio should be same. A2 by A1 should be same as A3 by A2 should be same as A4 by A3. Clearly 6 by 3, 12 by 6, 24 by 12 all are equal to 2. So correct option is D. If the sum of zeros of a polynomial is 3 and product is 2, then the quadratic polynomial is. We know the quadratic polynomial formula x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So x square minus sum is given as 3, product is given as 2. X square minus 3x plus 2 is the correct option, which is C. Cot square theta minus cosecant square theta answer is minus 1. We know the identity 3 cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. But here in the question, cot square theta minus cosecant square theta will be obviously minus 1. One of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 4 is. So correct option here is B minus 2. AB, BC are tangents of a circle, then find the value of x. If it is 60, this one will be 120 degrees because sum of four angles in a quadrilateral will be should be equal to 360. Angle A and angle C is 90 because radius and tangents are always perpendicular to each other. So angle x is 120 degrees. Correct option for 20th question is option A, 120 degrees. We'll discuss mathematics part B of Hyderabad district pre-final 2 question paper. First question, if P is equal to A cube B square C and Q is equal to A to the power of 4 B C square, where A, B, C are prime numbers, then HCF of P and Q are, it will be A cube B into C. Set of factors of 36 is X set, then which of the following is not a member of X? So 36 is a factor of 36, 1 is a factor of any number, that is 36. 18 is also factor of 36 because 18 twos are 36, but 7 is not the factor of 36. Correct option for second question is A. Degree of the polynomial root 2 x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 1 is 3. Degree means highest power. Highest power in the given polynomial is 3. So degree of the polynomial is 3. In a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square represent sum of 0. Coefficient of x means b, coefficient of x square is a, minus b by a is formula for sum of zeros. If the pair of equation 2x minus ky plus 3 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 5 is equal to 0, they represent parallel lines, then find the value of k. In the place of k, there will be one number we need to find. If the lines are parallel, we need to take the condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Here a1 is 2, a2 is 4, so 2 by 4 is equal to b1 by b2 minus k by 6. So when two ratios are equated, we need to do cross multiplication. Minus 4 into k is minus 4k, 2 6 are 12. So k value ఏమవుతుంది అంటే 12 by minus 4 which is minus 3. So value of k is A option minus 3. Which of the following represents statement two women and five men can do together a piece of work in 4 days in the form of a linear equation? So we need to change this given situation in form of linear equation. The correct option will be 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4. Discriminant of the equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 is. So discriminant అనగానే మనం ఈ ఫార్ములా రాసుకోవాలి b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 3, a is 2 and c is a constant 5. So minus 3 square value will become plus 9, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. Clearly the answer is minus 31, which is option B. Which of the following angles of a triangle are in arithmetic progression? So arithmetic progression lo second term minus first term will be same as third term minus second term. So a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2 equal గా ఉండాలన్నమాట. సో చూద్దాం ఏ ఆప్షన్ కరెక్ట్ గా ఉందో లేదో చూద్దాం. So 50 minus 30 is 20, 90 minus 50 is 40. So a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2 are not equal. 60 minus 30 is 30 and 90 minus 60 is 30. Here both a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2 are equal. So correct option is option B. Midpoint of the line joining the points minus 2, 3 and 4 minus 5 is. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 ఇక్కడ minus 2 plus 4 by 2, y1 plus y2 అంటే 3 minus 5 by 2. So minus 2 plus 4 is 2 by 2. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 by 2. పెద్ద number symbol పెట్టాలి. 2 by 2 is 1. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. 1 comma minus 1 is the correct option. So answer is C. 1 comma minus 1. If the slope of the line joining 1 comma x and 4 comma minus 2 is minus 2, find the value of x. Slope formula తెలుసు y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. should be equated with -2. ఎందుకంటే స్లోప్ ఈజ్ అన్నప్పుడు స్లోప్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -2 పెట్టుకోవాలి. సో y2 ఈజ్ 2, 2 minus y1 is x by x2 minus x1 is equal to -2. 2 minus x by 3 is equal to -2. When division goes to other side, it will become multiplication. 2 minus x is equal to -6. Minus x is equal to -6 minus 2. So x value will become 8. Minus x is equal to -8 వస్తుంది. Negative negative cancel అయినప్పుడు x is equal to 8. Correct option for 10th question is A. 8 answer. A line intersecting a circle in two points is called secant. So circle లో టూ పాయింట్స్ కు టచ్ చేస్తే అది secant, అదే వన్ పాయింట్ లో కట్ చేస్తే అది tangent. Which of the following statement is false? Two squares are similar. This is a true statement. Two equilateral triangles are also similar. This is also true. Two isosceles triangles are similar. This is false. Two line segments are similar. Correct option for 12th question is C. Curved surface area of a cone is pi r L. In this formula, L represents slant height. So L is equal to root over r square plus h square. 14th question, find the value of secant square 30 minus cot square 60. Secant square 30 value, before finding secant square 30, we have to take the secant 30 value, which is 2 by root 3 whole square. Cot 60 value is 1 by root 3 whole square. So 2 square value is 4, root 3 square value is 3, 1 square is 1, root 3 square value is 3. So denominator is same, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 by 3 answer is 1. Correct option for 14th question is D. 15th question, if sin 35 is equal to cos A, then value of A is. Sin 35 can be expressed as sin 90 minus 55. సో 90 మైనస్ 55 వాల్యూ 35 కాబట్టి ఈ విధంగా రాసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకు 90 మైనస్ ఏ తీసుకోవాలంటే కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్ కాబట్టి. స్టాండర్డ్ యాంగిల్స్ మినహాయించి 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 ఎనీ ఆఫ్ దిస్ అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ఎనీ యాంగిల్ వి కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్. సో 35 can be expressed as 90 minus 55. Sin will become cos. Cos 55 is equal to cos A. Cos will be cancelled. A will be 55 degrees. Correct option is option B, 55. P of is equal to 0.062, then value of P of not E is. సో ఎప్పుడైనా ఈ అయినా నాట్ ఈ అయినా అడిగారంటే 1 మైనస్ గివెన్ వాల్యూ చేయాలి స్టూడెంట్స్. 1 మైనస్ 0.062. 1 అంటే 1.30 పెట్టుకోవాలి, ఎందుకంటే డెసిమల్ నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్లో 3 డెసిమల్ ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. 062. సో ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ 10, 9, 9, 0. 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 0 is 9. Correct option is 0.938. Option A is the correct answer. If a die is thrown once, then probability of getting a prime number. So die stage ఒకసారి త్రో చేస్తే we have this పాసిబుల్ అవుట్కమ్స్ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ఏదైనా పడే అవకాశాలు ఉన్నాయి. ఇందులో ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ అడిగాడు కాబట్టి ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ 2, 3, 5. సో ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ ఈవెంట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫేవరబుల్ అవుట్కమ్స్. ఇక్కడ 3 ఫేవరబుల్ అవుట్కమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి by total number of possible outcomes 6. So 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. 18th question, the formula x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. A represents assumed mean among the made values. 5, 7, 10, 9, 10, 8, 10, 12, 13. Mode of the given data is. Mode means most repeated value. Here 10 is repeated more times, so mode value is 10. Correct option is B. In the given figure, AD is equal to 4, DB is equal to 4, AE is equal to 6, EC is equal to 6, DE is equal to 5. Find the length of BC. So ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ డయాగ్రామ్ ప్రకారం రాసుకుందాము. AD 4 ఇచ్చారు, DB 4, AE 6, EC 6. The length of BC is equal to. ఈ వీడియోలో మనము పార్ట్ B of Hyderabad district pre-final question paper డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. Let's see what question appeared in Hyderabad district part B. First question, which of the following is not a terminating decimal? So terminating decimal కాంతి మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ డినామినేటర్ చెక్ చేయాలి. డినామినేటర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ 4 into 5 అంటే 2 power of n 5 power of n రూపంలో ఉంది కాబట్టి దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ 2 power of m and 5 power of n. Then it is a terminating. C1 చూద్దాం. So 5 by 80, 40 can be written as 8 5s are 40. So 2 cube 5. Again it is a terminating decimal. 7 by 4. 4 can be expressed as 2 square. Again it is a terminating decimal. So not terminating decimal option is 21 by 98. Second one, if A is the set of all vowels in English alphabet, then number of subsets. సో ఓవెల్స్ మనకు అందరికి తెలుసు AEIOU. సో ఎన్ని ఓవెల్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 5. సో మనకి నంబర్ ఆఫ్ సబ్సెట్ కావాలంటే ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంది, 2 పవర్ ఆఫ్ n, వేర్ n ఈస్ ద నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ ద సెట్. సో మనకి 5 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఓవెల్స్ లో కాబట్టి 2 పవర్ ఆఫ్ 5. కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఫర్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ 32. C. If the polynomial p of x is equal to 6x power of 8 minus 7x to the power of 5 plus 4x cube minus 12, then the quotient of x power of 7. ఇక్కడ x power of 7 వేరియబుల్ లేదు కాబట్టి therefore the quotient will be 0. Fourth, nature of the roots 2x square minus 5x plus 6. Nature anna comment anna manam we have to use the formula b square minus 4ac. B ante x quotient which is minus 5, 4. A ante x square quotient which is 2. C ante constant 6. So 5 minus 5 square value will become minus plus 25. 4 to the 8, 8 6 are 48. So 25 minus 48 is a negative number. If negative number is there, there will not be any real number. So no real number. Which of the following is not a GP? So GP అనగానే మనకి కామన్ రేషియో ఉండాలి. A2 by A1 should be equal to A3 by A2. So 4 by 2 is 2, 8 by 4 is 2. It has common ratio. 9 by 3 is 3, 27 by 9 is 3, 81 by 27 is 3. It is also GP. 2 by 1 is 2, 6 by 2 is not 2. Therefore, it is not a GP. Correct option for fifth question is C. The angle between x-axis and y-axis at the origin. So x-axis, y-axis are perpendicular to each other. So it will be 90 degrees. The relation between W, X, Y, Z from the figure is. So basic proportionality theorem ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. So W by X should be equal to Y by Z. So correct option is C. W by X is equal to Y by Z. The length of the tangent drawn from exterior point 4 centimeters away from the center. The radius is 3 centimeters. Then the length of the tangent is. So radius equal to 3. Length of the tangent is 4 centimeters. We have to find the distance away from the center, which will be 5 based on the Pythagoras theorem. So 5 ఇచ్చిన root 5 అన్న ఒకటే కాబట్టి correct option is A. All this will be helpful for 2 marks also, students. Ninth question, which of the following is not a trigonometric identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 is a trigonometric identity. Cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is 1 is also a trigonometric identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is also a trigonometric identity, whereas this one is not a trigonometric identity. Correct option for ninth question is B. The value of tan 25, tan 45, tan 65 is. Tan 25 and tan 65 are complementary angles. So tan 45 will be 1. Correct option is D, 1. From the given figure, theta is equal to. So theta ki opposite number ichadu, hypotenuse number ichadu. So we have to take sine, because sine formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to 10 by 20, which is nothing but 1 by 2. So sine lo any degrees ki 1 by 2 untundi? So 30 degrees. Correct option is A, 30 degrees. Which of the following is not the probability of an event? 1 by 2. Eppudu probability will lies between 0 and 1. So probability of an event always lies between 0 and 1, including 0 and 1 equal to Rasan. So more than 1, it is not a probability. 1 by 2 ante less than 1, 2 by 3 less than 1, 4 by 5 less than 1, but 3 by 2 is not less than 1. It is greater than 1. So 1.5 greater than 1 kabatti it is not a probability of event. The median of first 8 odd prime numbers. Median ante first we have to arrange in ascending order. Odd prime numbers ento chuddam. So 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. These are the odd prime numbers. Median will become the middlemost value. In the middlemost value there are two middle most values, which is median. So if there are two medians, we have to take average of this one, so which is nothing but 12. So correct option for 13th question is B. 14th question, if x and y are any two co-prime, then their GCD is. Always HCF or GCD for co-primes will be 1, and LCM will be x into y. Adagale LCM, but you have to know. Sin square 90 plus cos square 90 value is 1. It is an identity. If nth term of an AP is 4n minus 2, then 7th term. So nth term is given as 4n minus 2. So n place lo 7 పెట్టాలి అంతే students. You have to know వేర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అప్లై దిస్ 7. ఎక్కడైతే ఎన్ ఉందో అక్కడ 7 పెట్టడం అంతే. 4 7s are 28, 28 minus 2 is 26. Correct option is B. The exponential form of log b base a is equal to x is, so a power of x is equal to b is nothing but the exponential form of logarithm. So correct option is B. If a set A and set B are disjoint set, n of A and n of B in disjoint set అంటే జాయింట్ లేనిది, ఇందులో ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ పార్టే ఉండదు కాబట్టి జీరో ఉంటుంది. n of A intersection B value will become 0 in disjoint set. Correct option is D. Sum of numbers and its reciprocal is 10 by 3. Then the number is 3 ki reciprocal 1 by 3. Sum and addition. We have to check whether it is equal to 10 by 3. So 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10, which is 10 by 3. So correct option is C. The discriminant of the quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 6 is discriminant formula b square minus 4ac. B and the 5 square, 4, a is 1, c is 6. 5 square is 25 minus 24, which is 1. Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss mathematics part B of Rangareddy district pre-final question papers. Are really helpful for our board exam preparation students. All this counts. So let us discuss first question. If x and y are two prime numbers, then their LCM is. LCM of any two prime numbers will be the product of their numbers. So x into y is the correct answer. So just multiply the numbers x and y. So correct option for first question is D. The number of subsets of set 5, 10, 15, 20 is. So for every any subset, number will be denoted with the formula 2 power of n, where n is number of elements in the set. In this given set, we have 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 power of 4 is nothing but 16. So correct option for second question is C. Third question, quotient of x in P of x is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 1 is. So x quotient is minus 2. So correct option is A. The cost of 3 kgs rice and 4 kg sugar is 304, and cost of 4 kg rice and 5 kg sugar is 540. The linear equation for the above situation is. So let us take rice as x and sugar as y. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 304, and 4x plus 5y is equal to 540. So correct option will be option A. Fifth question, the quadratic equation 2x square minus 6 root 6x plus 1 is equal to 0 as. To find the number of real roots, we need to use the formula b square minus 4ac. So here b is minus root 6 square 4, a is x square quotient which is 2, and c is constant which is 1. So minus root 6 square value will be 6, 4 to the 8, 6 minus 8 is minus 2. If the discriminant is negative number, it has no real roots. So correct option for fifth question will be D. Sixth question, which of the quadratic equation has 2 as a root? So just replace the 2 in one of the equation. If the answer is 0, then it has real root. So let us represent 2 in this. 2 into 2 square minus 7 into 2 plus 6. 2 into 2 square value is 4, 7 to the 14 plus 6. 2 4s are 8 minus 14 plus 6 is 0. So correct option will be B. Seventh question, the first two terms of GP are root 3 and 3. Then the fourth term is. So fourth term of GP is given by the formula AR to the power of 3, where A is first term root 3 and R is common ratio is given by A2 by A1. A2 is 3, A1 is root 3. So in 3 we have two root 3's. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So I'm just cancelling one root. So R is also root 3. A is root 3, R is root 3 whole cube. So root 3 into root 3 should be multiplied here 3 times, 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Again root 3 into 3 is root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Correct option for seventh question is B. The slope of the line joining the points A tan square theta minus cos square theta, B secant square theta sin square theta is. So we'll represent this one as x1 y1 and x2 y2, and we'll use the slope formula. Slope formula is given by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Y2 is sine square theta, y1 is minus cos square theta, by x2 is secant square theta, and x1 is tan square theta. So sine square theta plus minus into minus is plus cos square theta, value will is 1, and secant square theta minus tan square theta value is also 1. This is identity, students. 1 by 1 is 1. Correct option for 8th question is C. In which quadrant does the point 2 minus 3 lie? It lie in 4th quadrant. Correct option is D. Two triangles are not always similar. So circles are always similar, squares are also similar, triangle, only equilateral triangles are similar, but other triangles are not similar. So correct option for 10th question is C. 11th question, triangle ABC and PQR, ABC and PQR are similar. Angle A is 32, means P is also 32 because they are similar. R is 65. If R is 65, obviously C will also be equal to 65. Then angle B is. So we all know the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So 32 plus 65 plus 80, 83 gives you 180 degrees. So correct option is A. Each exterior angle of a equilateral triangle is, each angle of a equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Exterior angle will be obviously 120 degrees because these two forms linear pair, means some straight line. 60 plus 120 gives you 180. So exterior angle will be equal to 120. If AP and AQ are two tangents, this and this are two tangents. POQ is 120, which is given this angle 110. Sorry, angle PAQ. So PAQ will be equal to 70 degrees because in, if POQA is a collateral, this angle will be 90 because radius and tangents are always perpendicular to each other. This angle also will be 90. 90 plus 110 plus 90 plus 70 gives you 360. Sum of four angles in a collateral is 360. So obviously this angle will be 70. Correct option is A. Volume of cone is given by the formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. The reciprocal ratios among the following is sin theta and cosecant theta. Sin theta is 1 by cosecant theta, cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. They are reciprocal to each other. The length of the shadow of a tower on a plain ground is root 3 times the height of the tower. So we don't know the height of the tower. We will take height of the tower as x and shadow will be root 3x. We need to find the angle of the elevation of the sun rays with the ground. So we will take tan theta, which is opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta opposite we have taken as x, adjacent we will take as root 3x. So x get cancelled, tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, theta will become 30 degrees. Correct option is D. X is equal to b cosecant theta, y is equal to b cot theta, then x square minus y square. So we will square b square into cosecant square theta minus y square. Y is given as b cot theta, y square will become b square cot square theta. In both cases, b square is common. We will take b square out. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta we will write. So cosecant square theta minus cot square theta value we all know 1, it is identity, b square into 1 is b square. So correct option for 17th question is C. When a die is rolled, the probability of getting a number greater than 2 is. When a die is thrown, the probability, the sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the numbers in dice, and greater than 2 will be 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 possibilities are there. So we'll write as 4 by 6. 4 will be the 4 will be the favorable outcomes. Total outcomes will be 6, which is also equal to 2 by 3. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Correct option is B. From the letters of the word mathematics, if a letter is selected randomly, the probability that a letter vowel is. So we have four vowels A, E, I, O, U. So here We have A, E, A, I as vowels 4, and number of letters in mathematics is 11. So correct option is B, 4 by 11. Last question of this question paper, median of the data 12. To find the median, we need to arrange the numbers in ascending order, students. So the least number here is 12, 13, then 18, 19, 20, 24, and 25. Now we need to pick the middle number. Out of this 7 observation, middle number is 19. Therefore median is 19. So correct option for 20th question is C. మ్యాథ్స్లో పార్ట్ బిలో మనకి 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఈచ్ క్వశ్చన్ క్యారీస్ 1 మార్క్. టోటల్ వెయిటేజ్ 20 మార్క్స్. సో పార్ట్ బి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఈ అప్కమింగ్ బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్లో పార్ట్ బి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఎందుకంటే 20 మార్క్స్ ఉంటాయి అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్లో. సో డోంట్ నెగ్లెక్ట్ దిస్ పార్ట్ బి. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ మ్యాథ్స్, మోడ్ ఆఫ్ ద డేటా 5, 6, 5, 7, 8, 5, 6, 10 ఈజ్. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 5. మోడ్ అంటే మోస్ట్ రిపీటెడ్ వాల్యూ. So most repeated value in this given observation is 5. So option is B. If base radius of the cone is r and height is h, then slant height. So slant height is given by the formula L square is equal to h square plus r square. So correct option second question is A, h square plus r square. The arithmetic mean of the data x bar equal to sigma xi by n. In this sigma xi is sum of observations and n is number of observations. So correct option ఏంటంటే A. Fourth question, which of the following point is lie in the third quadrant? So third quadrant లో అన్ని నెగటివ్ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి -3, -6. So here we have first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. Third quadrant లో x నెగటివ్ వాల్యూస్ ఉంటాయి, y కూడా నెగటివ్ వాల్యూస్ ఉంటాయి. సో -1, -2. సో బోత్ నెగటివ్ ఉండేది థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్, -3, -6. Which of the following is not a Pythagorean triplet? 20, 21, 29 is a Pythagoras triplet. 5, 12, 13 is also Pythagoras triplet. 3, 4, 5 is also Pythagoras triplet. But 6, 8, 11 is not. Actually 6, 8, 10 is a Pythagoras triplet. But e question lo 6, 8, 11 on this. Option C is not a Pythagoras triplet. Sixth question, the volume of a right circular cylinder is V is equal to pi r square h. The formula h is nothing but height of the cylinder. If the two ends of the diameter of a circle are 3, -2 and -5, 6, then the center of the circle. So diameter ante circle untundi. So which passes through center of the circle, and the 2 points here is 3, -2, and another point is -5, 6. So center kanukoval kabatti center of the circle. So we have to use midpoint. So midpoint formula manaki telusu x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here 3 -2 which should be represented as x1 y1, -5 6 should be represented as x2 y2, and replace in the formula. X1 is 3 -5 by 2, y1 is -2 plus 6 by 2. So 3 -5 is -2 by 2, and 4 by 2 which is nothing but -1, 2. So correct option ఏంటి అంటే C, -1, 2. Which of the following is a quadratic equation? First one kaadu. Second one is also not a quadratic equation because x square will get cancelled. Third one is a quadratic equation. Which of the following linear equation is coincident? Coincident ante a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 all will be equal. So 5x ki double 10x, 3x ki double 6x, 2 ki double 4. So option D is the correct answer. Discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 5x plus 7 is. We all know the discriminant formula b square minus 4ac. A అనేది x square quotient, b అనేది x quotient, c అనేది constant 7. So replace in the formula b square. So minus 5 square, 4, a is 3, c is 7. So minus 5 square value is plus 25, 4 3s are 12, 12 sounds are 84. So plus 25 minus 84 is minus 59. So correct option for 10th question is D. 12th question, the slope of the line passing through 2, -5 and -4, 7 is. Slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So coordinate geometry ఎప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ x1 y1, సెకండ్ పాయింట్ x2 y2 రిప్రజెంట్ చేసి ఫార్ములాలో అప్లై చేయాలి. సో y2 is 7, y1 is -5, x2 is minus 4, x1 is 2. Minus of minus is plus, so 7 plus 5 by minus 6, which is 12 by minus 6, which is minus 2. So correct option for 12th question is A, minus 2. 13th question, in the given figure, DE is parallel to BC. AD is to DB. AD is to DB is 1 is to 2. AE is 4 centimeters. What is the value of EC? So ratio double ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ వాల్యూ కూడా డబుల్ అయిపోతుంది స్టూడెంట్స్. సో ఆన్సర్ విల్ బి 8. Correct option for 13th question is B. If the base radius of a cone is 7 centimeters and slant height is 5, then the curved surface area of cone. So we know the curved surface area of cone formula, which is pi r l. So slant height is given as, this is slant height given as 5, radius of cone is given as 7, and curved surface area is pi is 22 by 7, radius is 7, L is 5. So 7 7 cancel, 22 5 is a 110. Correct option is C. A boy observed the top of a pole at an angle of elevation 45 degrees, and the boy is 10 meters away from the foot of the pole. Then the height of the pole is 10 centimeters only. ఎందుకంటే tan 45 వాల్యూ 1 కాబట్టి ఆపోజిట్ అడ్జసెంట్ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది 45లో. ఎప్పుడైనా tan 45 ఉంటే ఆపోజిట్ అడ్జసెంట్ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది స్టూడెంట్స్. A frequency distribution classes are 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Then the mid value of 20 to 25. So mid value మనందరికి తెలుసు xi, which is sum of average of these two. అంటే ఈ రెండుని యాడ్ చేసి డివైడ్ బై 2 చేయాలి. సో 45 by 2, which is nothing but 22.5. So correct option is D. 18th question, the observation of data 3, 7, 9, x plus 3, 14 and 17 are in ascending order. సో మీడియన్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఆల్రెడీ అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఇచ్చాడు, అండ్ ద మీడియన్ ఈస్ గివెన్ యాజ్ 11. సో మీడియన్ ఇందులో 6 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో 6 అంటే దిస్ 2 విల్ బి ద మీడియన్ క్లాస్. సో యావరేజ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ 2 will become median, which is given as 11. So 9 plus 3 is 12 plus x by 2 is equal to 11. So division goes to that side. 12 plus x is equal to 22. X is equal to 22 minus 12, which is 10. So correct option for 18th question is 10. The given figure AB is 4 root 3 in the value of BC. If this is 30 degrees, this angle also 30 degrees. So tan 30 is opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 తీసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ, ఎందుకంటే opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. Tan 30 value we know it is 1 by root 3, AB is 4 root 3 by BC. So when two fractions are equated, we have to do cross multiplication. BC is equal to 4 root 3 into root 3, which is 4 into 3, which is 12. So correct option is B, 12. Last question in maths question paper. Radius of hemisphere is 3.5 centimeters. Total surface area of hemisphere. So total surface area of hemisphere formula is 3 pi r square. So pi value is 22 by 7. Radius is given as 3.5. We have to multiply 2 times. In the formula we have r square. 7 ones are 70.5. So after calculation we will get the answer as 115.5. So correct option for 20th question is D. We'll discuss part B with answers now. We'll see other district pre-final question paper, part B. First question, the HCF of 15 and 35 is. So 15 and 35, 15 twos are 35, and this remainder will become again divisor. This will 5 threes are 15. So 15 minus 15 is 0. Therefore, the HCF will be 5. Correct option for first question is C. 2 is A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Then the number of subsets of set A is. Number of subsets formula is 2 power of n, where n is the number of elements in set A. We have 4 elements in set A, so 2 power of 4, which is 16. Correct option is D. The mean of A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D is divided by 5. There are 5 observations. Minus 2D plus 2D minus D plus D cancel. There are 5 A's by 5, which is nothing but A. Correct option for third question is minus 5 cosecant square theta minus 5 cot square theta. You have to take 5 common. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. We know the identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. P is equal to log 9 base 3, Q is equal to log 25 base 5, then P plus Q is equal to R, then the value of R. Log 5 base 5 value is 1, 2 into 1 is 2. So P value is 2, Q value is 2. So R value will become 2 plus 2, which is 4. Correct option is C. In Hyderabad, the probability of raining in the month of July is 0.35. Then the probability of నాట్ రైనింగ్ ఇన్ ద మంత్ జూలై ఈజ్ 0.65. ఎందుకంటే ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకి 1 రావాలి కాబట్టి ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ ప్లస్ సిగ్మా ఎఫ్ఐ యూఐ బై సిగ్మా ఎఫ్ఐ ఇంటూ హెచ్ యూఐ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ఐ మైనస్ ఏ బై హెచ్. కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ సి. ద లాగరిథమ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ 81 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 ఈజ్. సో ఇక్కడ బేస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి లాగరిథంలో కూడా బేస్ 3 ఉండాలి. సో 81 will become the logarithm function and power will become the 4. The range of the probability of an event always lies between 0 and 1 and including 0 and 1. In an arithmetic progression, A10 minus A9 is equal to 9, then the common difference is. So A10 value is A plus 9D minus A9 is A plus minus into plus is minus 80. So A cancel, 90 minus 80 is D. D is equal to 9. Correct option is A. In triangle PQR is similar to triangle DEF. Triangle PQR is similar to DEF. PQ is 100, then F is equal to 80. The centroid of coordinates, centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So centroid is 5 comma 5, which is option A. So diameter అంటే మనకు తెలుసు radius ఆఫ్ ఉంటుంది diameter లో, and height is 3. Obviously slant height will become 5. The quotient of x cube in the polynomial, x cube quotient 2 కాబట్టి correct option is 2. A person observes an edge of a tree from a distance 30 meters from its foot, making an angular elevation 45 degrees. Then the height of the tree is. So height of the tree ఇక్కడ 30 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా 30 ఉంటుంది. Correct option is B. The total surface area of a cylinder, total surface area formula is 2 pi r into r plus h.